More than 90% of people trying to learn AI in 2026 are doing it completely wrong. And it's not their fault. Hundreds of tools launch every month. Every video covers something different, but nobody actually tells you where to start or what order to learn things in. So you end up watching a ton of content, feeling like you are up to date, but nothing actually changed. Zero progress. I've spent the last 2 years going deep on AI, tested tools, built automations, made all the mistakes so you don't have to, and I figured out the actual order you need to learn this stuff. So in this video I'm giving you a simple 3-week plan. By then you will know exactly what to focus on, what to ignore, and what to do first thing tomorrow in the morning. One thing before we dive in, this video only works if you actually do the stuff, not just watch it. I've seen people consume hundreds of hours of AI content and still feel lost, because watching is not learning, doing is learning. So here's what I want you to do. Please open your notes app right now. You're going to need it. I'll tell you exactly what to write down as we go. Let's start with week 1. Week 1 is about one thing, learning how to talk to AI. Prompt engineering. I know there are so many frameworks and strategies, whatever, I've seen them all. Forget them, you don't need any strategy or framework. Just 4 things. Role, context, ask, format. That's it. Write it down. Role. Just telling the AI who it should be. You are a marketing strategist, you are a copywriter, you are a book writer. This anchors everything. Context. Give it the relevant information it needs. Your situation, your audience, your constraints. Without it, it's just guessing. Ask. Your actual request. Be specific, not just help me with marketing. Tell it exactly what you want. And format. Pretty obvious just how you want it to give it the information. Whether you want it to be a bullet list, a table, whatever. Before you send any prompt, check these 4 boxes. That's it. Now some savvy ones from you might say, but Amir, every LM nowadays has automatic prompt improvement built in. And you are right, but think about it this way. How is a machine supposed to give you the right answer if it doesn't have any information about you? Your business, your constraints, nothing. It's just like asking someone what time is it now when they don't have where to check it. Physically impossible. The AI can polish your words. It can't guess your context. Now choosing your LLM. This week you're also going to choose your main tool. ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Cloud. Try them all, it's simple. Just take one prompt and send it to each one of them. Exactly the same prompt to each one of them. Read the answers and go with whoever you like most. That's it, no overthinking here. Small spoiler though, if you are using AI for any kind of content like scripts for YouTube, emails, text messages, anything. You don't even need to test Cloud wins here, it's not close. By day 7, writing good prompts should feel automatic. Role, context, ask, format, every single time. And you should know which LLM is yours. Week 2 is about tools, but not in the way you would expect. You can't build a full AI tool stack in a week, it's just not how it works. So instead of adding more tools, this week we're cutting. Go through every tool you're using right now, one by one, and ask yourself honestly, does this actually save me the time it promised? If the answer is no, cancel the subscription, delete it, done. This sounds simple, but most people never do it. They keep paying for tools they barely use just because they feel they should. That's just noise with a monthly fee. If you're not using any AI tools right now, perfect. Start with these 2. Notebook LM, Google's tool, completely free. You upload documents, articles, files, links to YouTube videos, the most useful one I guess, anything. And it becomes the research assistant that actually understands your material. Don't overthink it, just try it. Granola. This is my personal suggestion. If you have a lot of meetings, this one is going to change your life. It sits in the background and takes notes for you, but it does it incredibly well. By day 14, you should have 2 to 3 tools max. Tools that are actually running, actually saving you time, not a graveyard of subscriptions you forgot about. Less is more here, seriously. This is where it gets interesting. Week 3 is about automations, making AI to do things for you without you being there. Right now, there are 3 main platforms that dominate the space. Zapier, the most intuitive. You literally just describe what you want to build and it builds it. Great starting point if you've never touched automations before. Make. Think of it as a visual whiteboard. You drag and drop pieces and connect them together. Also beginner friendly and very visual. N8N. This is my personal choice. It gives you way more control over everything. And yes, at first glance it might look complex. But here is the thing, N8N runs on JSON, which is just a text format of passing data between things. Look at this example. That's JSON, I think it's pretty clear. Once you understand that, N8N just clicks. Pick one of these 3, whichever feels right, then do one thing this week. Build an automation that saves you at least 30 times a week. It shouldn't be something complex, but it must save you time. By day 21, you have one automation running, one real thing that works without you. And if you've done all 3 weeks, congratulations, you are already ahead of 90% of people learning AI right now. From here, your job is simple. Keep adding tools from week 2, but add them slowly, pick just ones that actually save you time, and keep building automations from week 3. That's the whole game. Now here is the most important thing I'm gonna say in this entire video. Don't let it be another tutorial you watched and forgot about. You have the plan, 3 weeks, one step at a time. The only variable right now is whether you actually do it. So before you close this step, pick one thing from week 1 and just do it. Just one. Write one solid prompt. That's enough to start. And by the way, if you want to go deeper on any of this, tools, especially automations, I've built a community called AI Growth Forge, where I break all this down in detail. Real workflows, real automations, weekly calls, everything is practical, nothing is fluff. Link is in the description. But honestly, even if you never join, just do the 3 weeks. You will thank yourself. If you like this, hit like and subscribe. I put out a ton of content like this, and you don't want to miss it. See you next one.